Okay, this is the Rock&Rocker 16-inch 15-amp electric dethatcher and scarifier. All right, I put this together this morning and I am going to test it out on this video. So assembly was not a big deal. It's basically attaching the handles and these bolts to put it together. Two different attachments that go on the bottom. It comes with both. So this is for dethatching these little metal tines. As I flip it over, this is for the scarifying. Okay, so it has a different set of attachments for the scarifying. Scarifying is going to actually dig down into the soil while also collecting the thatch, where this is a little bit gentler on the turf and is going to just work on collecting the thatch. Now it does come with a bag here that's it says a 48 quart bag that you can collect the clippings in. Again, it's made to run off electricity, so you're going to need an extension cord to operate it. One thing I did notice too, it's very lightweight and maneuverable. Now a lot of it is made out of plastic. Of course the handles and stuff are metal. It does have a comfortable handle, but it is super lightweight, which I really like. It also has 5 adjustment points right here that you can adjust it as far as the height setting. So that's super simple as well. So
Okay. Hit the red button right now.
Very lightweight, very maneuverable, and if you put it on the Scarify attachment, it's going to really pick up a lot. So my initial understanding is with the detaching attachment, it's going to be kind of lighter and less digging in the dirt, but still getting the thatch. But if you really want to renovate it and are okay with it looking ugly for a little while, then you put the Scarifying attachment on there, the blades, and it's going to dig into the dirt. And that's if you've got a serious thatch problem and you want to dig down and loosen up the soil, which can help with oxygen flow and water flow down to the roots. Initial impression was positive. I think I'm going to love this thing.